Exactly.
At foot level, because that will that opens, right?
That will open, yeah. That will open.
How
at
long
foot
is
level.
that? How long is that?
1.25 meters maximum. But with this device, it never deployed fully. It can only when you have a lanyard, because you always have the locking mechanism that will lock before you have the 2 meters extended lanyard.
So basically, yeah, you need to be more than 2 meters for this to work, because that's about half a meter or something. And then you've got
For this one, you need 4 meters clearance below feet.
4 meters.
4 meters. Why 4 meters? Because you always have the 2 meters human body that you cannot discard.
Yeah.
You always have this part of the nanologue that will have to go down. With the shock absorber, it takes between 1.5 meters, 1.6 meters approximately, 1.4 to 1.6, let's say. In terms of this part is extended, and then after you have the deployment of the system. And then after we consider usually like a 50 centimeters clearance below feet for this device.
All these details mentioned on it? I mean the 1.5 meter.
Absolutely. You have clearance chart, so even before using it, always take the clearance chart and see on it when you walk in swing, when you walk there, how many meters you can have, etc. It's on the technical data sheet of the equipment. Okay.
So wherever the guys are using 4 meter height, you should not allow only with the safety harness. You have to ask this also.
Check this one, yeah.
The
It's
thing
suitable
is,
or no?
you can use a
Maybe.
harness and a lanyard if you are 4 meters. If you are connected overhead, because at overhead, you will not have this 2 meters extension and the shock deployment will be much lower. But the problem is most of the times, the guys try to find an anchorage wherever they can. And very often, it's not overhead. It can be here, it can be there. So let's always consider the worst case scenario. They have to connect at foot level. In this case, what can be said?
There's no monetary value to the human life, but in terms of cost benefit with regards to this lanyard and the other one, what's the difference? What's the price range of these?
If you take 2 to 4 times, depending which lanyard you are using. 2 to 4 times.
It's not. I mean, it's not the same product.
Correct.
Yes, we can compare like that, but this one it's added features to work below 6.75 meters. So of course it will be maybe a little bit expensive, and all the devices on the market I don't speak only for
Yeah, sure. I mean, that's what I'm saying. You can't put the monetary value of it. What's the range on that? Total range for the
Length?
lanyard, if you can move up and down.
This one is a 6 feet, but we have also a 2.5 meters one, which is 9 feet.
9 feet.
And when you need more, you can pass it on the self-retracting lifeline. You can have
And once again, when you use self-retracting lifeline, if you are working, for example, on a roof part, take edge protection, not the other one. The other one will not work. It has to be edge rated for horizontal, vertical. Now we're going to show you the rescue.
Yeah, exactly. So just, I will do a summarize. Summarize are important. I love summarize. What we saw at the beginning, it's you have a pressure point on your body, leg, okay? We show that when you fall, you have a short period of time before to be rescued. And you remember how you felt when you were hanging on the harness. We saw that it exists, the straps, to take seat on it and to release the pressure here. Okay, first point, straps. Second point, we have a difference between all kind of rock at height, for restraint and for arrest. Not shock absorber because you have zero risk of free fall, and shock absorber incorporate on the lanyard because you have a risk of free fall. And the shock absorber should take all the forces you will be subjected to. Okay? Third point, lanyard and rope and everything need a clearance. 6.75 meter, we explained. Yes, of course, if you take a 1 meter lanyard and you connect yourself to overhead, it will be less. But for the worker on site, you know that you will never be always behind them, telling them, okay, you have to anchor it overhead. So it's better always to say it's 6.75 meter. It's the worst scenario, but you're sure that you, as safety guy, are 100% sure that they will not do the mistake. Okay? So if you don't have the 6.75 meter clearance, you have the self-retracting lifeline. You have the nanolock, it's like a lanyard, and you have the blocks from 5 meters to 50 meters. Okay? Now we show all the scenarios. But